Community is all about building and maintaining relationships, whether it's with your friends, your family, your loved ones. It's all about staying connected. Everyone should have access to messaging, a phone, and video. They're essential lifelines. It's really the universal way to interact and build relationships with loved ones and friends, no matter where they are in the world. Miracle Messages sees our neighbors experiencing homelessness not as problems to be solved, but as people to be loved. We offer social support by locating loved ones and/or connecting unhoused neighbors with a phone buddy for weekly phone calls and text messages. We help people experiencing homelessness rebuild their social support systems and their financial security, primarily through family reunifications, a phone buddy program, and basic income pilots. So our phone buddy program is an essential part of what we do at Miracle Messages. And Dialpad is a key partner for us in ensuring that we can provide this resource to the communities where we serve. We've been using Dialpad for over 5 years, and through that partnership, we've been able to connect more people from anywhere in the world. Critically, we're able to provide Dialpad phone numbers to our volunteers so they can have phone calls with their unhoused friends, or if they're working to locate loved ones. And we also have a 1-800-MISS-YOU hotline for our neighbors experiencing homelessness to reach us or for word of mouth referrals. And Dialpad makes that possible.